The SBA, what's it good for? The SBA 7A and 504 programs were started back in the 50s, allowing financial institutions a government guarantee on a business loan they make, much like Freddie or Fannie guarantees do in the residential mortgage world. If a loan goes into default, the SBA will come in at a certain percentage, usually 75, and cover that loss to the institution making the loan. This gives the financial institution a little more peace of mind that they will not be out 100% of a loan if it does go bad. This is how a lot of business loans are financed, where there are no or very few hard assets to take back if the loan does go south. Let's take, for example, an IT company or internet company who leases the location they're in. They take out a loan to start their operation and they lose a couple contracts, so things just don't go as planned and they must close operations. At this point, what does this business really have that a bank can sell off to recoup their loss? Some tables and desks, some used computers. They might not even have any servers because they rent space out on someone else's servers. There isn't even any real estate because they are leasing the building they're in. At this point, the institution that made the SBA loan to the IT company would try to get whatever they could from the borrowers. But if there is still a deficiency, which more than likely in this case there would be, they would exercise their guarantee with the SBA and be able to recoup up to 75% of the outstanding loan amount at that time from the government. Not bad. If there were no guarantees like this, those deals would probably be almost impossible to get done unless the borrower put up outside collateral equal to or greater than the loan amount. Even then, it might not be worth it for an institution to do because they would rather deploy their capital elsewhere. And who's to say the borrower would even have that type of outside collateral anyway? This is exactly why the SBA exists, to make loans to small business who might have never had a chance of getting funded without the government guarantee being in place. This in turn creates jobs and stimulates the economy. As they say, small business is the lifeblood of this country and economy. In our next video, we will tackle the number one complaint or questions we get as lenders when we are dealing with the SBA. Why is this process so cumbersome and so much paperwork? The truth might surprise you because people's perception of the SBA process compared to conventional financing might be totally misguided. So please, like this video and subscribe to our channel if you feel like you have learned anything here today. Thank you.